We have two discussions this week, and the first one is going to be about the instructional design process. And for this one, you'll be required to post an initial message where you will reply to this conversation prompts, and then a response to one classmate. Now, your initial message is really just going to have 3 questions for you. The reason why you see so much information here is that you will answer the question depending on your previous experience with designing learning. So if you've had experience designing learning, this is the prompt for you. If not, but you've taken previous courses that touch on instructional design, this is the prompt for you. And if not, you'll be prompted to find any books in the Purdue online catalog or online that touch on instructional design and answer the question based on that. And so because we are going to be comparing Horton's book with your prior experiences or knowledge, use in-text citations as you answer the questions. Include the reference for any outside sources, especially if you are going to be discussing Horton as compared to previous books that you've read or a book that you just found in a library. Include the reference for outside sources. But because we already know Horton, we know the reference, we know the textbook, there's no need to include Horton's reference over and over again throughout the semester in your posts. You're not going to penalize, you're not going to be penalized if you don't include it. It's not necessary. We all know. It's required for all the other references that you bring from outside the list of course readings. So in your initial message, make sure you use those in-text citations. In your one response that is required, make sure that you use those in-text citations. But if you post multiple messages because you felt like, somebody's message prompted you